Hi, good day, Ma'am Cherry Ann Naire. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello, my name is Trian Nairi. I am 31 years old. I am single, no kids. Um, I am 2 years graduate with hospitality management services. Um, I have work experience here in the Philippines from 2014 to 2024.
Uh,
And
Alright, thank you. Then, what is your marital status? Are you single or married?
yes, ma'am, I am single.
Okay. So, where do you live? Where do you
Sorry, ma'am.
live?
Um, I'm originally from Baybay City, Liti, but I live in Manila now, here in Parañaque City.
Okay. So, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have two brothers and I have two sisters.
Right. Then, how would you describe yourself?
Um, I am very hardworking. I can do multitasking and I can finish um, my work at a time.
Okay. So, do you have any work experience abroad?
No, ma'am, I don't have any experience abroad. It is my first time applying for overseas.
Okay, so you mentioned you have work experience here in Philippines from year 2014 up to year 2024. Did you finish your contract?
Yes, I am finished my contract, ma'am.
Okay. So what is your duties and responsibilities as helper here in Philippines?
My duties and responsibilities, I do all the household works, ma'am. Cooking, doing laundry, cleaning, and preparing food for my employer. And I do also groceries, ma'am.
Mhm. Okay. So are you willing to take care of small children, even baby or elderly person abroad?
Yes, ma'am, I am willing, ma'am.
Okay. So what will you do if you become homesick?
Um, I will be doing my job, ma'am. I will make myself busy at work, ma'am, so that I can distract myself.
Okay. So are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of pets, even big dogs?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then how do you describe your cooking skills?
My cooking skills, ma'am. Um, I must say it is good because I do a lot of cooking here in my previous employer po.
Okay. So are you willing to learn new dishes abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I am
Okay.
willing to learn.
Alright. So do you have any food allergy?
No, ma'am.
Do you eat everything?
Ma'am.
Do you eat everything?
Yes, I do eat everything, ma'am.
Okay. So do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Sorry, ma'am.
Do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I do
So,
have.
so do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise to be honest and loyal to your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So do you drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
How about smoking?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any body tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the past?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Are you willing to share a room with the children or elderly persons?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you willing to wake up very early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are
Yes,
you
ma'am.
willing to work during day off and employer will pay you overtime?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, for the last question, Ma'am Cherry Ann, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
To my future employer abroad, please hire me because um, I will work hard and I will finish all my tasks and I will finish my contract and serve you with honesty and loyalty. Thank you. Hope to see you soon.